Modal verbs. Modal verbs type. Modal verbs. Examples: ability, permission, advice, obligation, possibility, can, could. David can speak 3 languages. He could speak fluent French when he was 5. Can, could, may. Examples: can I sit in the chair, please? Could I open the window? May I borrow your dictionary? Should. Example: you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. You should try to lose weight. Must and have to. I must memorize all of these rules about tenses. You have to take off your shoes before you get into the mosque. Might, may, could, can. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow.